Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change date in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change our current date, we first have to go to our settings menu here. We need to scroll down all the way to general management options here. Next, we're looking for date and time option here. Now, to change our date, we first have to disable automatic time and date. So, uncheck this one. Date and time is now disabled from updating, and we can choose day and year, etc. that we need and that we want. And that's all. Remember to have it unchecked, our automatic date. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.